Dogs have been our companions for thousands of years, earning the title man's best friend for good reason. Their loyalty is unmatched. They greet us with wagging tails and unconditional love, no matter how our day has gone. Did you know that dogs can understand human emotions? They can sense when we're happy, sad, or stressed, and often respond with comforting nudges or playful antics. Beyond companionship, dogs have incredible skills. They assist in search and rescue missions, serve as therapy animals, and even help those with disabilities navigate the world. Their keen sense of smell can detect diseases like cancer, making them invaluable in medical settings. Every breed brings its own unique traits, from the playful Labrador to the protective German Shepherd.